Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating history of island formation. Have you ever wondered how islands like the Andaman and Lakshadweep came into existence? Well, you're in the right place. First, let's understand what an island is. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Islands can be big or small, and they can be found in oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. Islands are different from continents because they are much smaller. Islands can be formed in several ways. There are mainly 4 types of islands: continental islands, oceanic islands, coral islands, and barrier islands. Continental islands. Continental islands are pieces of land that were once connected to a continent. They were separated by rising sea levels or geological activity. An example is Greenland, which is part of the North American continent but is now an island. Oceanic islands are formed by volcanic activity. When a volcano erupts underwater, the lava cools and hardens, forming a mountain. Over time, this mountain grows taller and eventually rises above the water, creating an island. The Hawaiian Islands are a great example of oceanic islands. Coral islands are made from the skeletons of tiny sea animals called corals. Corals build reefs in warm, shallow waters. Over time, these reefs grow and form islands. The Maldives in the Indian Ocean are famous coral islands. Barrier islands are formed from sand deposited by waves and currents. They are usually found parallel to the coast and protect the mainland from storms and waves. An example is the Outer Banks in the United States. The Andaman Islands are a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. They are part of India and are known for their beautiful beaches and diverse wildlife. They are a mix of continental and volcanic islands. They were formed due to the collision of the Indian Plate and the Burmese Plate. This geological activity caused parts of the land to rise above sea level, forming the islands. The history of the Andaman Islands is fascinating. They have been inhabited for thousands of years by indigenous tribes. During the colonial period, the British used the islands as a penal colony. Today, the Andaman Islands are a popular tourist destination, known for their pristine natural beauty. While the Andaman Islands, with their lush forests and diverse wildlife, offer a glimpse into the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage of the Bay of Bengal, the Lakshadweep Islands, nestled in the Arabian Sea, present a contrasting yet equally enchanting picture. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are also part of India and are famous for their coral reefs and clear blue waters. They were formed by the accumulation of coral reefs over thousands of years. The corals built up around volcanic islands that have since eroded away, leaving behind the beautiful atolls we see today. Lakshadweep has a rich history influenced by various cultures, including Arab traders and European colonizers. The islands are known for their unique culture and traditions, influenced by their seafaring history. Islands play a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem. They are home to unique plants and animals that are not found anywhere else. They also support human communities who rely on the ocean for their livelihoods. Islands often have unique ecosystems. Due to their isolation, plants and animals on islands evolve differently from those on the mainland. This leads to a high level of biodiversity. For example, the Andaman Islands are home to species like the Andaman woodpecker and the dugong. Unfortunately, islands face many threats. Climate change, pollution, and human activities are putting pressure on island ecosystems. Climate change is causing sea levels to rise. This threatens low-lying islands, which could be submerged underwater. Coral reefs are also affected by rising temperatures, leading to coral bleaching. Pollution from plastics and other waste is a significant problem for islands. It harms marine life and affects the health of island communities. Tourism and development can lead to habitat destruction. It's essential to balance development with environmental conservation to protect island ecosystems. Many organizations and communities are working to protect islands. Conservation efforts include establishing protected areas to conserve wildlife and habitats, projects to restore damaged coral reefs, promoting eco-friendly tourism practices. Islands are incredible places with rich histories and unique ecosystems. From the volcanic origins of the Andaman Islands to the coral formations of Lakshadweep, each island has its own story. It's essential to protect these precious environments for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.